Hi friends, how are you? Today topic Python data types. Python data types. Data type represents the type of data present inside a variable. Data type represents the the type of data the type of data present inside a variable. Okay. Next, in Python, we are not required to specify the type explicitly. In Python, we are not required to specify the type, not required to specify the type explicitly. Based on value provided, the type will be assigned automatically. Based on value provided, the type will be assigned automatically. Hence, Python is a dynamically typed language. Hence, Python is a dynamically typed language. Next, Python contains the following inbuilt data types. Python contains following inbuilt data types: integer, float, complex, boolean, string, bytes. Six. Next, byte array. Range. Next list, next list, next tuple, next set for Frozenset, Dict, none, set Frozenset, Dict, none. 14 data types are available in inbuilt. In Python, inbuilt data types, how many data types? 14 data types. But Python contains several inbuilt functions. Okay, type. Number one, type. To check the type of variable, to check the type of a variable. Number two, ID function. ID function used for to get address of object. To get object of address of object, which is used to ID function. Print function. Print function is used to print the value. Print the value. In Python, everything is an object. In Python, anyone is an object. Int data type. First one, int data type. Okay, we can use int data type to represent whole numbers. We can use int data type to represent whole numbers, integral values. Okay, example a equal to 10. A equal to 10. Type of a, type of a, integer, not point is that's why it is a integer. A equal to 10, type of a, shift enter. Okay, this one, control enter, integer, type of a, what the type of a integer is. A is equal to 10. 10 is the integer. Okay, not. In Python, in Python 2, we have long data type to represent very large integral values. Very large integral values. In Python 2, we have long data type to represent very large integral values. But in Python 3, there is no long type explicitly. But in Python 3, there is no long type. There is no long type explicitly. And we can represent long values as by long values also by using int type only. That's it. And we can We can represent long values also by using int type only. In Python 2, we have long data type. Another long data type is represented very large integer value. But in Python 3, there is no long type explicitly, and we can represent long values also by using int integer type only. Okay, understood? Okay, sir. Next, we can represent int values in the following ways. We can represent int values in the following ways. Decimal form. Number one, decimal form. Number two, binary form. Number two, binary form. Next, octal form. Next, hexadecimal form. These four are. First one, what is the first one? Decimal form, binary form, octal form, hexadecimal form. Okay. Next, decimal form. Decimal form is base 10, sir. Base 10. Decimal form is base 10. Okay. Next, int. It is a default number system in Python. It is the default number system in the Python. Okay. Next, the allowed digits are 0 to 9. The allowed digits are 0 to 9 only. Decimal form is allowed only 0 to 9 numbers only. Example, a is equal to 10. 1, 1, 0, 10. 1, 1 means 0 to 1. Okay, 0, 0. Okay. Next, binary form. Binary form. Base 2. Base 2. Binary form. Base 2. The allowed digits are 0 and 1 only. Only the allowed digits are 0 and 1. Binary form. Literal value should be prefixed with 0 small v or 0 capital V. Literal value should be prefixed with 0 small v or 0 capital V. Example, a is equal to, example, a is equal to 0 capital B 1111. Okay, friends, understood? Okay, a is equal to 0 capital B 1111. Only 0 and 1 are. Example, a is equal to 0 B 123 is not allowed. A is equal to B 111, small b 111. Okay, next. 3. Octal form. Octal form. Base 8. Octal form base 8. The allowed digits are 0 to 7. The allowed digits are 0 to 7. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's enough. Okay. Literal values should be prefixed with 0, 0 small o or 0 capital O. Literal value should be prefixed with 0 small o or 0 capital O. Example, a is equal to 0 small 0 1 2 3. A is equal to 0 small 0 7 8 6 is to 0 small 0 1 2 3 0 small 0 7 8 6. Okay. Next, hexadecimal form. Hexadecimal form base 16. Base 1 6. The allowed digits are 0 to 9 only, and A to F, both lower and upper cases are allowed. The allowed digits are 0 to 9, A to F, A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, both lower and upper cases are allowed. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F also available. Also allowed, also allowed. Literal value should be prefixed with 0x or 0 capital X. 0x or 0 capital X. Example, A equal to 0 capital X, FACE, face. A is equal to 0 capital X, beef, BEEF, beef. A is equal to 0 capital X, beer, BEER, beer. Example, A is equal to 0 capital X face, 0 capital X beef, 0 capital X beer. Next, note. Being a programmer, we can specify literal values in binary, octal, and hexadecimal forms. Not being a programmer, we can specify literal values in decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal forms. But Python virtual machine will allows provide values only in decimal form. But Python virtual machine will provide values only in decimal form. Okay. Small program. We can see small program. A is equal to 10. I am taking B is equal to 0, small o 1 0. C is equal to 0, capital X 1 0. D is equal to 0, B 1 0. I am taking, sir. Okay. A is equal to 10, B is equal to 0 1 0 1 0. C is equal to 0, capital X 1 0. D is equal to 0, capital B 1 0. Print of A, print of B, print of C, print of D. Okay, sir. I am taking next control enter. See, sir. A is equal to how much? 10. B is equal to 0 small o. 1 0 means the value is 8. C is equal to 0 capital X 1 0. The value is 16. 1 6 16. D is equal to 0 binary. And it is 1 0. And print of D. Print of D value is 0 2. Okay, sir. Understand? Okay. Base base conversions. Base next topic. Base conversions. Python provide the following inbuilt functions for conversions. Python provide the following inbuilt functions for base conversions. Number one, bin function. Okay, we can use bin function to convert from any base to binary. Any base to binary. We can use bin function to convert from any base to binary. Bin of 15. Bin of binary digit of 15. Binary digit of 15 is 0 small b 1111 is the binary digit of 15. Next, binary digit of 0 small o 11 bin of we are giving 0 small b 1001. Next, binary digit of 0 capital X 10 binary digit of 0 small 0. Okay, small zero capital G's are not in numbers. Sorry, bin of 0 capital X 1 0. Okay, output is 0 small b 1 0 0 0 0. Okay, this is the binary digit of 0 capital X 1 0 octal. Octal. And second one, octadecimals. Okay, we can use octal. We can use octal function to convert from any base to octal. We can use octadecimal to convert from any base to octal. Octa of OCT of octa of 10. Octa of 10 is octa of 0 capital B 1111. Okay. Octal of 0 capital B 1111. Okay. Next topic is octal of 0 capital X. So 1 1 1 2 3. Octal of 0 capital X 1 2 3. And the next one, hexadecimal. Next, hexadecimal HEX of function, hexadecimal of function. Okay, we can use hexadecimal of to convert from any base to hexadecimal. We can use hexadecimal of to convert from any base to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal. Hexadecimal of 100. Hexadecimal of 100. What is the output is control enter. 0 small x 64. 0 small x 64. Hexadecimal of 0 capital B 111111. Okay. Output is 0 small x 3f. Output is 0 small x 3f. Next, hexadecimal of 0 small o 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, output is control enter 0x 1 4 e 15. Okay, sir. Understood? What is today topic you are covered in data types, Python data types. Data type represents the type of data present inside a variable. In Python, we are not required to specify the specific type explicitly. Based on value provided, the type will be assigned automatically. Hence, Python is a dynamically typed language. Python contains the following inbuilt data types: integer, float, complex, boolean, string, bytes, byte array, range, list, tuple, set, form, Frozenset, Dict, none. These are 14 data types are available in Python. Note, Python contains several input functions. Number one, type, ID function, print function, int data type. Next, first one, int data type. So we can use the int data type to represent whole numbers, integral values. A is equal to 10. Type of A is integer. Not if in Python 2, we have long data type represent very large integral values, but in the Python 3, there is no long type explicitly, and we can represent long values also by using int type only. We can represent int values in the following ways: decimal form, binary form, octal form, hexadecimal form. Next one, first one decimal form, base of 10. It is the default number system in Python. The following, the allowed digits are 0 to 9. Example, A is equal to 10. Binary form, base of 2. Number 2, then binary form, base of 2. The allowed digits are 0 and 1. Literal values should be prefixed with 0b or 0 capital B. Example, A is equal to 0 capital B double one double one. A is equal to 0 capital B 1 2 3. A is equal to B small b 1 1 1. Octal form. Number 3, octal form. Base of 8. The allowed digits are 0 to 7. Literal values should be prefixed with 0 small o or 0 capital O. A is equal to 0 of, this is the example. Hexadecimal, next to fourth one, hexadecimal form. The allowed digits are 0 to 9, A to F. Both lower and upper cases are allowed. Literal values should be prefixed with 0 x or 0. These are examples. Not being a programmer can we specify literal values in decimal, binary, octal, and hexadecimal forms. But Python virtual machine will allow to provide values only in decimal form. A is equal to 10, B is equal to D is equal to D is equal to print A, print B, print C, print D. What is the output? 10, 8, 16 to base conversion. Next, base conversion. Python provides the following inbuilt functions from the for base conversion. Bin. Next, bin of 15. Binary digit of 15. Binary digit of 0, 1, 0, small 0. Okay. Binary digits of 0, capital X, 1, 0. Octal. Next, octal number 2, octal. We can use octal to convert from any base to octal. This is the example. Octal of control enter 0. So, this is the answers. Okay. These are outputs, hexadecimals. We can use the hexa to convert from any base to hexadecimal. This, okay, sir. Thank you. Next topic, and tomorrow I will cover float data types and next one. Okay, sir. Thank you.